Actually, I'll go back out this way too. There's all sorts of thorns, and I walked right through a bunch of like a briar patch. Oh man. Oh, that wasn't cool. Probably shouldn't have done this, but okay, so we are out here with our Pentax K-70, and again, we came across a very cool abandoned place, but the basketball goal was what I wanted. So we've got our Pentax K-70 with our 18 to 135 lens. I love this camera, and just wanted to get out and get some more shots and see what else we can come up with today. Okay, so I'm gonna walk back here and grab this shot. I can get chiggers, ticks, everything else, but I don't care. Got to get the shot of this basketball goal. Oh my God. Probably shouldn't have done this, but okay, here we are. Okay, we gotta go higher, let's see. So I'm gonna go down to 200th of a second, f400. Get these shots real quick and get out of here. Okay, mainly wanted to get this basketball goal. So I'm at 6.3, there we are, there's our settings, 400th of a second. All right, let me get closer here. This is very cool. Somebody's sure they're going to come here and kick me out. Basketball goal is what I wanted to get. Got this house over here, but I really can't get over to it. I need to get back. Actually, I'll go back out this way too. There's all sorts of thorns, and I walked right through a bunch of like a briar patch. Oh man. Oh, that wasn't cool. Probably shouldn't have done this, but again, very cool opportunity here. Indiana, man, you got to get these basketball goal shots. That's so cool. Okay, there's some stuff back here since there's nobody out here. There really isn't a no trespassing sign either, so I think it's kind of maybe a given, but nonetheless, that was cool. I saw that basketball goal. I had to stop. That's what we were dealing with, but we'll get out of here before somebody gets all upset. Oh, there is a no trespassing sign. Okay. Well, that was good enough, though. Oh, this thing's completely